Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a spear. There's this type of spear, which is a metal spear. It's pretty sharp. And then there's also a type of spear that you can make out of a stick. Or this is a back like a plunger. And the two things you're going to need is, let me show you. You're going to need a belt sander and you're going to need a saw. And that's all. Let's get right to it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set the height on this thing, which is about right there. Now we're just going to push it through. It's going to be on high. So let's get right to it. It can be a little slow sometimes. And this works just fine. Now we're going to head it to the sander and just get the basic shape done. See you there. We all know it would be. I just realized, you know what happened? The sander did not work. So you want to put it in your vise, put it very far back, that I just realized. And then, my sister has her friends over, so that's where it sucks. Now, let's just chisel. Okay guys, this did not take too long for me to do. As you can see, I made a pretty big mess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Dremel. Now I'm just going to, oh, the camera's not focused. Let's focus that, okay. There you go, I'm just going to, you got the basic shape done. No, it looks pretty good. I'm just going to remove this tip. And I'm going to get a much better tip in. Some tip like this that can take down a lot at once. And of course you're going to want a mask. Just get the mask on. You don't need glasses for this because there's not that much dust flying around. It's going to sink to the ground. So again, I guess let's start the time lapse. 3, 2, 1. I got the shape down, but look how big of a mess this makes. Ugh. I can see myself in the reflection. Sweet. Well, as I'm saying, makes a mess on my feet. It sucks. It's awful. We're going to go out to this belt sander, even though I hate it. And I'm not going to film it because my camera just gets all dusty. It sucks. It's so dusty right now. So, hopefully you guys enjoy. I'm just going to show you when it's finished, and I'm just going to do some of my magical work to it. Okay, you guys will see it at the end when it's finished using this thing. Okay guys, I'm all finished. This is the spear. It's pretty sharp. Usually hurts something. You know, let's go stab something. Let's go. Stab. What should we stab? Ooh, I got my wood back here. What should we stab? Stab. Oh my god, it's actually making holes in the wood. Whoopsies. What should we stab? Let me look for something that's like, oh, cardboard, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Perfect. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. I made a mess. I gotta clean that. It's a disaster. My feet are a mess. My feet are a mess. So, thanks for watching, you guys. Appreciate it.